Hello and welcome to the FortiMonitor video series. In today's video, I will walk through the steps required to add an entire VMware stack of virtual machines in my on-prem environment to the FortiMonitor Onsight vCollector. Let's begin. Log into your FortiMonitor account. Click on the plus add red box here. Scroll down a bit. The VMware option will allow us to monitor the health and performance of our entire VMware stack of virtual machines utilizing our Onsite vCollector. In a previous video, I showed you how to add a new Onsite vCollector in your on-prem environment. Now click on the red select box. For Onsite Selection, navigate to the Select Onsite dropdown. Select your on-site appliance. For this example, I will select TM Cloud. Now click on the red Next Step box. For VMware credentials, please use read-only credentials. Let's now enter in our credentials. Let's now click on Finish Installation. This process is going to take a few minutes depending on how many virtual machines are in your VMware stack. Let's come back when this is complete. The process is complete. We can now view what the FortiMonitor Onsight vCollector has found. The discovery found 3 VMware hosts and 168 VMware instances. Let's click on the View Cluster button to view more details. FortiMonitor gives us the ability to have a more organized view of our VMware stack. If I click on the instance type box here, I can group the instances into the following buckets, such as VMware Host, VMware VM, VMware Data Store, VMware Cluster. Let's scroll down a bit. At this point, we are now ready to monitor the health and performance of all the instances of our VMware stack. The instances can be sorted by group type. Alert timelines can be applied for incident management, and tags can be applied to identify the instances. That concludes today's video on how to add a VMware stack in my on-prem environment to the FortiMonitor Onsight vCollector for health and performance monitoring. Thanks for watching.